Ever caught in that awkward moment, mid-sneeze and someone tells you to hold it in? Well, here's a quick fact. Don't. Suppressing a sneeze can be harmful. Sneezes are our body's way of expelling irritants from our nose or throat. A sneeze can travel at the speed of 100 miles per hour, so imagine the backlash if that force is held back inside your body. This can lead to numerous complications like ruptured blood vessels in the eyes, damaged blood vessels in the brain, and even a perforated eardrum. So next time, don't hold back that sneeze. Let it be your body's natural, albeit noisy, defense mechanism. Remember, it's better out than in. Loop this for a minute and you'll never forget why you should never stop a sneeze forcibly.